Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-3040CN driver download and installations. So this is first support.brother.com, this official website. So click on it. After that it will open this operating systems, different Linux and Windows also there. So in the Windows 11, 10, 32, 64 both server also. So select operating system which is you required, and after that full this is full software pack, means driver plus software. This is the driver. Click on driver, printer driver, scroll down, click to download, and after that it will start, and then click on this icons where it is downloaded, and then right click, then open it, then click more option, more info, and then click run, then disappear, disk extract on same locations. So this is your printer driver. So now the installations method, click to start, then setting, then click to printer and device, then printing printer and scanner, click to, and then add device. So after the add device it will show manual options, so click on it like this, add new device manual. After that this is different way to install. Select last local printer and network with the manual setting, then next, then have disk, then click browse, then come on this locations where it is downloaded, open the 64 and select this inf file, and then click to open. After that click to ok. Now find out your printer 3040, this one, and then next. Now this is your printer is installing and install, then next, and then finishes. Now you can see this is printer yours installed, but before printing need to restart your system and your printer also, because of this is compulsory. Okay, then you can press print and printing. Yeah, thank you.